What I will be scanning is this fan right here on top of this box. Here's my setup. I have my servo and I have my system here with my Raspberry Pi, Arduino, which powers our IMU, laser, and LCD screen. All I have to do is calibrate my my angles for my IMU, and I'm going to do this from 45 degrees. So I'll angle it at 45 degrees. I'll hit a switch, angle it here at a horizontal angle, hit a switch, that will angle it at 45, and then I can just slide this onto my system and it will scan the fan up and down. And so I'll show you that. And I'm having this powered by 2 battery packs, and I'm VNC'd into my computer or my Raspberry Pi via my computer right here, so I can get in there and grab my data. As you can see, I've already been taking data, so you'll see the process here in a little bit. So here I'm gonna set up the fan. I took the faceplate off so that the laser could have a good faceplate to bounce off of, and then we're gonna scan down it. I didn't show all of it because of video issues, but now we're gonna skip to the processing portion. So you see this black and white screen with this white line going down it. Basically, we're taking this mask of the image, and all the red light we're going to pass through, and that's what you're going to see as the white. Anything that isn't red is going to show up as black. So this is going to go through each individual image, and it's going to sense any light that is above a certain threshold that it calls red light, and it's going to transfer that all the way to a value of 255. Encoding for white, a white pixel, and then anything that is below that threshold, it's going to pull back down to black, so it's just going to go at 0. So this is where we're getting these images with a black background and a little bit of white that's just showing where exactly the laser is. These are going to be transferred into XY coordinates, which can then be used to basically just make a 3D map of our image, shown right here. So this is fairly decent compared to what I've gotten before. I've taken these scans a couple of times and usually had issues, but I've fixed some issues with my IMU, and you can clearly kind of see this fan here, as well as it's sitting on that one box that I was talking about. And you can see that the box has a fairly straight up and down face. And the fan looks pretty nice on there. It's got some nice depth, but then you get that up and down face and this vertical wall behind it, which looks pretty good. So far the data there is good. Ready to go out into the field.